Hariam children, in the second video of factorization I will explain you by making the difference of two squares. We have to factorize by making the difference of two squares. So how to make in identity chapter one formula you know that a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So the terms we have to bring in this form in this exercise, a square minus b square form, difference of two squares. When it will come in this form, we have to use the formula a plus b into a minus b. So one by one problem I am doing. From first little easy I will do, then after that little more difficult I will do. So question number 1 you see. Question number 1 given 16 a plus 6b square minus 9 a minus 3b square. So you bring it in this form of a square. So 16 which number square? 4 square. So 4 into a plus 6b whole square minus 9 is 3 square. So 3 into a minus 3b whole square. So here 4 into a plus 6b is a, here 3 into a minus 3b is b. So this is a square minus b square form. So write it a plus b, that means 4a plus 6b square bracket you give, then plus 3 into a minus 3b, a plus b over, now a minus b, 4 into a plus 6b minus 3 into a minus 3b. Now 4 multiply here, 4a plus 24b plus 3a minus 9b. Here 4a plus 24b minus 3a plus 9b. So now like terms you order subtract 4a plus 3a, 7a 24b minus 9b. It will be plus 15b. Here clear 24 minus 9, it will be 15. Now here 4a minus 3a, a 24b plus 9b, it will be plus 33b. Over. Understood? Another bit I am doing. Question number 2, a square into b plus c minus, here b plus c whole cube. So before making it the difference of two squares, first we have to take common. Between these two terms what is common? B plus c, here b plus c cube. So b plus c is common. So you take b plus c. So what left here? A square minus b plus c square. Give the square bracket. Now b plus c you keep it like this. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So the formula use a plus b. A means here a plus b means b plus c. Then a minus b. That means a minus b plus c minus b, open the bracket, minus c. So this is the answer. Understood? Another bit. Question number 3. A into a minus 1, then minus b into b minus 1. How to do? This is not in the difference of two square. There is also no common factor. So what to do? First you multiply a into a square minus a, here minus b into b, minus b square minus b into minus 1 plus b. See here how I am doing. Directly question may not come. Question not given in the directly this in this form, a square minus b square. So first you have to change into another form, then we have to bring it in the a square minus b square form. So here also first method you will follow to take common factors. There is no common factor, so what we will do, you have to multiply it. Again we have to make it groups, like in the second exercise, means the first video I have done. By making it groups, we have to make it into smaller groups. So a square minus b square, this is one group, then minus a plus b, this is another group. You make two groups. Now this is a square minus b square, means we can here there is, you keep it a square minus b square like this. Now here minus a plus b, so what is you can take common? We can take, suppose minus 1 I am taking common. What left? A minus b. Here a square minus b square, what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Write it here, a plus b into a minus b minus 1 a minus b. So this is one term, this is one term. In between these terms, what is common? A minus b. So what left? A plus b minus 1. Clear? How to do factorization? By making it difference of 2 square. Directly it is not given in the difference of 2 square. I have brought in this form. Before that I have to solve it, simplify, then make it into different groups. Smaller groups I have made these two groups. Then again you have to make now this difference of 2 square formula I have to use here. A square minus b square minus 1 into a minus b. Understood? Suppose another one I am doing. Question number 4. A square minus 2ab then plus b square minus c square. Here also you see there is no common factor. So first method we cannot use. Second method, by making it groups. If we make it into groups also, nothing we can get common. So what to do? So first you have make it groups in this which way? Not by making two terms, by taking here 3 terms, here only 1 term. Here we have to make group, but by taking here 3 terms, here 1 terms. So here you see this one term, this is 1 term. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Which formula? In identity chapter you have done. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Now minus c square. Now this will come in the form of a square minus b square or not? So in place of the formula is what? A plus b into a minus b. So in place of a you write a minus b plus b means plus c, and a minus b means in place of a minus b minus c. Got the answer? How I have brought to this form. Directly question not given in this form. You have to be think which method I have to use. First method, by taking the common factor. You see here there is no common factor. Second method, by making it groups. So I have made it groups, but here the group is made by taking here 3 terms, here 1 term, not two terms. So when 3 terms taken, this is one formula, a minus b whole square minus c square. So this will now come in the form of a square minus b square. So now use this formula. Understood? So in this video, how to make factorization by making the difference of 2 squares. In the next video again I will explain another method of factorization. Okay, thank you.